Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over my top 4 high market cap coins that I have strong conviction will at least 10x from the current prices. Most likely we'll see 20 to 30x's from here. Obviously, this is all my own speculation and not financial advice, but there is so much noise out there on Twitter and YouTube. So many people are chasing the shiny objects, but I have my strategy where I have strong conviction in my picks, and I say what I mean, and I mean what I say. So let's go over these 4 high cap coins and let the gains be with you. So the crypto market is starting to get very interesting. Total market cap is at $1.73 trillion. And a lot of hype and attention is all on Solana right now because Jito just did a big airdrop and a lot of people made a ton of money. So now a lot of people are chasing the shiny objects, moving things around, and there is money to be made for sure with airdrops. I've made a ton of airdrop guides in the past, and I will continue to make more in the future. But the thing is, it's so easy to get caught up in all the noise and feel like you need to chase all these different things and go in all these different directions. But I've made my strategy very, very clear over the past few months, and this is the most stress-free strategy. It's just playing the bull market cycle and simply investing in very strong fundamental assets that have potential to do really well in price. And a lot of people chase all these tiny, tiny market cap coins, which I do as well, right? I have my strong fundamental analysis picks. Coins like Rio, I have coins like Router Protocol, Change Finance. I think that these coins have 100x potential even from the current price. But there's a lot of people out there that don't want to go after these low market cap coins. So let's get into these 4 high cap crypto coins that are above a $1 billion market cap. Coin number 1 is going to be, drumroll, Kaspa. It shouldn't be a surprise to anybody. Kaspa is the best layer 1 on the market. Right now, Kaspa is trading for 12.9 cents. It has a market cap of $2.8 billion. Now, I've covered Kaspa extensively in the past. It is solving the blockchain trilemma of decentralization, scalability, and security. If we take a quick look at the Kaspa website, we can read that Kaspa is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 in the world's first block DAG, a digital ledger enabling parallel blocks and instant transactions confirmation built on robust proof of work engine and rapid single second block intervals. The Kaspa hash rate is going through the roof, and typically price does follow the hash rate. And we are seeing Kaspa start to pick up again now after a period of consolidation. So again, I've been talking about Kaspa for months. I'll leave some of the older Kaspa videos where I fully cover everything about it with a tag right here. You can go ahead and watch those videos. But looking at the current Kaspa price, we are in consolidation. We are in a range near all-time highs. The all-time high is at 15.4 cents. So realistically speaking, I can see Kaspa peaking out at $3 to $5 in the peak of this bull market, which would be over a 20x return from the current price. So if we do see some kind of correction on Kaspa, which is possible, but again, a lot of people are waiting for a big correction. What if it never comes? If we do see a correction, we have a nice demand zone on the daily time frame on Kaspa at around 10 cents, okay? So if you didn't get an entry yet and you're praying for something lower, if you see something around 10 cents, not financial advice, but that would be a great entry. But again, even from the current prices, $2.8 billion market cap, this has high potential to be a huge stunner and go to over a $100 billion market cap. The fundamentals are as solid as they come. This is the strongest fundamental coin in the market as far as I am concerned. So Kaspa, if you're looking for a very, very solid fundamental project to add to your portfolio, if it's not already in it, this is really a no-brainer in my opinion. You can go after all the other layer 1s that have been around for years, that have pre-sales and early investors that have just been continually selling on the market, coins like HBAR, for example. Go after those if you want, be my guest. But fading Kaspa would be a huge mistake, in my humble opinion. Kaspa coin number 1 for very good reason. Let's go ahead and move on to coin number 2, the second high cap coin, and that is, no surprise at all, BitTensor Tau. Tau right now trading for $353. It has a market cap of $2 billion. Again, I've covered Tau extensively for months now from the time when the price was around $50. This is the biggest coin in my portfolio, the biggest allocation, and Kaspa is right up there as well behind it. But nonetheless, Tau, if you're looking for just kind of like a no-brainer, easy pick to ride up higher, this is, again, it's the largest coin in my portfolio for a very, very good reason. So Tau right now has 32 subnets, all offering different types of artificial intelligence tools and protocols. For example, we can use Coursal, which is Tau BitTensor's version of ChatGPT. You also have the Studio, it's image generation. This is really, really effective. I'll just show you really quick what it can do with a prompt. So I just thought of this on the spot. I said, create a 3D image of a young male crypto trader sitting at a penthouse office overlooking the ocean. Make his office futuristic, sleek, and comfortable looking. Put one ultra-wide monitor on his desk. Include a pet husky dog next to the crypto trader. Let's go ahead and see what we do get with this image generation. We'll be right back after we get it. Okay, so we have 3 examples on the first try on our first prompt. And as you can see, it's pretty good, right? This guy's happy. It looks like he's making some gains. He's got his dog there, comfortable looking office. You have this one. Looks pretty good if you ask me. And you have this one as well, right? So anyway, BitTensor Tau, very bullish on it. I have been for some amount of time. And looking at this chart, it is near all-time highs. Just keeps on going higher and higher and higher. Yesterday, price broke back down into the previous range, but it was instantly bought up. So if you're just kind of waiting and waiting and waiting for a huge dip, I don't really know what to tell you at this point. I think Tau can 15x, 20x, even from the current price. If it does do a 20x, that would only put it at a $40 billion market cap, which I think is possible for a project like this. It could go even higher in the bull run, in the true bull run, in peak euphoria. But nonetheless, if you're looking for a kind of no-brainer high cap coin, BitTensor Tau, you guys know what I think about this project. So fade it at your own peril. Or you can go chase after the coins that have been on the market for years that just continually sell from their pre-sale and team tokens. Anyways, let's go ahead and move on to coin number 3, and that is the Render Network. And Render is currently trading for $3.90. Again, we've been covering Render for months, back when the price was below $1.50. You have a bunch of other YouTubers out there who are saying, oh, we got to wait for when the price was around $2, $2.50, they're saying, oh, wait for it to crash back down to 150. Don't buy it yet. It's going to go down, right? A lot of these guys that are making content just called it completely wrong. So yeah, I'll continue to call them out. I don't really care. Anyways, Render right now has a market cap of $1.459 billion. And the fully diluted market cap of Render is around $2 billion. So again, all full videos that I've made on these projects will be left in the description down below if you want to go ahead and watch my full video breakdowns on these different projects. But very quickly, Render is the leading provider of decentralized GPU-based rendering solutions and revolutionizing the digital creation processes. The network connects node operators looking to monetize their idle GPU compute power with artists looking to scale intensive 3D rendering work and applications to the cloud. So the biggest in-demand thing for artificial intelligence is GPU processing power. Yes, BitTensor Tau is going to have a subnet that does the same thing as Render, but that does not discount Render whatsoever. I think Render is going to have a really, really amazing bull run. It's been one of the top performers in the bear market, and like I've always said here, the top performers in the bear market tend to also be the top performers in the bull market. So if you're chasing after the shiny object and overlooking the top bear market performers, it could work out for you if you catch a winner. But again, this is the most stress-free approach to the market, in my opinion. Render Network, very, very bullish project. Really, really strong team. Some of the best partnerships in the industry, right, with Apple. So Render, I wouldn't fade it. Anyways, looking at the price here, breaking into new yearly highs, coming into a big area if we look on the weekly time frame. Over here on the Binance chart. On the weekly, we're coming into this resistance area at around $4. I think this will get to around $5 before we see any kind of significant retracement. And if we do see some kind of significant retracement, I would be looking in this area of consolidation on the weekly time frame at around 268 down to around 210. All right, so if you're waiting to buy some kind of big dip, I would be waiting for around 250. But the most stress-free way to go about this is to simply dollar cost average in. We're going into the bull run, so even if you buy now at 389, I think you're still going to do relatively well. Okay, so Render Network, the third high cap coin that, again, if you just play the cycle and you just want a stress-free approach to play the crypto bull run, Render is an easy pick in my opinion. So let's coin number 3. Let's go ahead and move on to coin number 4. Coin number 4 is going to be Injective Protocol. And INJ is currently trading for $19.23 with a market cap of $1.6 billion. fully diluted market cap is $1.9 billion. So INJ is a layer 1 blockchain built on the Cosmos software development kit, and it is built for decentralized finance. Build and use the best Web3 applications on Injective, the fastest layer 1 blockchain shaping the future of finance. It has huge backers, as you can see, and again, it's been one of the top performers all bear market long. So I first covered INJ back in January of this year, now at the beginning of this year. INJ does not make up a core position in my portfolio. It was a good trade for me this year, buying it in January and taking profits along the way. But nonetheless, if you're looking for a very solid high market cap coin above $1 billion, INJ is just, it's been one of the top performers for a reason. I do expect that to continue, and I can see this coin reaching hundreds of dollars in the bull market. So looking at the price here, it is now breaking into the all-time high territory here at $25. Right now it's at $19, but as you can see in the weekly time frame, these are all wicks from $19 to $25. All right, so it can slice through this like butter and just kind of break into price discovery. It would be ideal to see a dip, but the way this thing looks right now, not sure that we do get said dip in the charts. So I'm not here to say, I don't have a crystal ball to say whether we're going to have a huge correction or not. I think it is very possible, like I've stated in a previous video recently, that we get one big shakeout before the true bull run does start. But then again, we can see Bitcoin rip right up to 50K before that happens, and we'll see altcoins follow, also pump. And even if altcoins correct 30 to 40% after that happens, they're going to be at much higher prices. So a 30 to 40% correction is not going to take it down to, say, below $10 on INJ, for example. Okay, so Injective protocol, strong pick. You can go chase after all the shiny objects if you want, or you can just kind of trust the process and play the cycle and invest in good technology. And all four of these high cap coins are, in my opinion, very strong fundamentally, and I think they're going to have amazing bull run performances. So again, the way that my portfolio is set up, I have these high cap coins, and I also have a bunch of lower market cap coins that I think have potential to 100x plus even from current prices. But the main part of my portfolio is made up from high conviction, high market cap coins like these. We were buying Tau at like a $200 million market cap to a $300 billion market cap, right? So it turned from a mid cap to a high cap. But nonetheless, even from current prices, I don't think it's too late at all. I hope you enjoyed this video. So in this video, we covered the top 4 high market cap crypto coins to have in your portfolio for the cryptocurrency bull market in 2024 and maybe 2025 as well. I think the majority of the run is going to take place in 2024. Personally speaking, just my own speculation, not financial advice. Leave a comment down below of what you think about these coins. Let me know if you hold any of these coins. Leave a comment down below. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.